Welcome to 𝐻𝐙, the original payment solution system. We providing the world's best solutions program. About 𝐻𝐙 Coin. 𝐻𝐙 is an underlying blockchain being developed on the protocols of DeFi and e-commerce, traveling, entertainment and gaming, hotels, air tickets etc., with an exceptional algorithm, which gives others an easiest platform to integrate their smart contracts and tokens to use the available protocols on a minimum fee structure. 𝐻𝐙 is as of now integrated as token 168 million in numbers on Solana blockchain with the same protocols for the primary distribution and community development in association with 𝐻𝐿 smart contract, which is a hybrid decentralized system managed by a team of experts having substantial experience in the field of DeFi system. The reason behind choosing Solana for this program is its wide community, user-friendly algorithm, fastest transaction with lowest fees among all the available blockchains across the world. 𝐻𝐙 mission and vision. Our mission is to become the leading e-commerce payment system choice for users. We strive to develop a token that harnesses the power of technology offered by blockchain, smart contracts, and cryptography. Our mission is to enable digital asset holders to have a place whereby they can utilize their crypto assets seamlessly and cost-effectively. Utility services can be used for all types of bill payment, mobile recharge, online purchase of plane tickets through 𝐻𝐙. 𝐻𝐙 also gives its holders the ability to book movie tickets and poly online games, casino using our native token. We will be involved in the process of transactions all over the world through the latest technology of 𝐻𝐙. About 𝐻𝐙. The original payment solution system. Blockchain is storming, and we're upfront. 𝐻𝐙's premier trading platform is designed for those who grasp the power of blockchain's promise and want to be a part of the movement. With lightning-fast trades, dependable digital wallets, and industry-leading security, we've created an exchange to lead this revolutionary technology. The economy for play-to-earn blockchain games is growing at an exponential rate. 𝐻𝐙 will build a first-of-its-kind ecosystem that provides a seamless experience for gamers and developers looking to participate in the lucrative opportunities present in play-to-earn. The 𝐻𝐙 white paper provides insights into the current market for online games and the growing relevance of blockchain and play-to-earn games. 𝐻𝐙 is an efficient and self-sustaining blockchain operation. You can create a private or consortium chain for your business in a few clicks, customize it at will, and save time and money with a variety of helpful features. Crypto Staking Program. Become a part of 𝐻𝐙. For this you have to join our crypto staking program where you can stake minimum $50 to its multiple in and get up to 30% on your own staking value every month at the rate of 1% daily until you receive total 300% of your staking value. You can also become a part of its community development affiliate program to earn your 300% earliest. 𝐻𝐙 Gainer is currently working on the development of the 𝐻𝐙 token. So for staking first you have to buy 𝐻𝐙 token through DEX Trade Exchange and invest it in DeFi staking program of 𝐻𝐙. Types of profits. Daily staking profit. Direct referral profit. Booster profit. Team staking profit on daily profit. 6 type of pool profits. Daily staking profit. You will get 0.66% UPTO 1% daily on your investment, which will keep coming for 300 days i.e. 300%. The question is, how will this 1% come from? As you know, this is coin distribution program, so the total supply of 𝐻𝐙 token is only 168 million, 16 crore 80 lakh, and the 1% that will be released through supply and people can trade, use, swap these tokens when they are fully marketed. Booster profit. If you make 2 direct of any amount in 7 days of your joining, your staking income will be upgraded to 1% daily. Direct referral profit. This is commission you earn when you sponsor, refer a new person into the business. The reward is 5% of whatever 𝐻𝐙 investment limit they subscribe to. And this bonus is withdrawable without any obligation attached. Team staking profit on daily profit. Here you get the daily team staking profit on daily profit as percentage, from 30% to 0.20%, for 50 level teams daily staking profit, 0.66% to 1%. Note, one level will open with 1 direct referral $100 and all levels will be unlocked after 10 direct referrals minimum $100 stake. The first level will open after direct referral $50 stake. Example, like Richard joined through your link and he invested $1,000 in staking, then he will get 1% daily for 300 days with him. You also team staking profit on daily profit of his daily 0.66% to 1% at 30% every day will come like he is getting 1% of $1,000 equals 10% daily profit. 6 types of pool bonuses. 5 direct referrals. When you have 5 referrals in your direct amount of $50 or more, you enter the first pool 0.50% of total turnover. Pool 2, total team size of 100 and achiever of Pool 1. Maximum 50% of total i.e. 50 can be counted from one group. You enter the second pool 1.50% of total turnover. Pool 3, total team size of 500 and achiever of Pool 2. Maximum 50% of total i.e. 250 can be counted from one group. You enter the third pool 1% of total turnover. Pool 4, total team size of 1000 and achiever of Pool 3. Maximum 50% of total i.e. 500 can be counted from one group. You enter the third pool 0.75% of total turnover. Pool 5, total team size of 5000 and achiever of Pool 4. Maximum 50% of total i.e. 2500 can be counted from one group. You enter the third pool 0.50% of total turnover. Pool 6, total team size of 50,000 and achiever of Pool 5. Maximum 50% of total i.e. 25,000 can be counted from one group. You enter the third pool 0.25% of total turnover. The system takes the programmed percentage of the total new turnover according to pool number and distributes it equally to all the pool achievers of all types of pools. Staking above $50 or above will be counted for any pool. Maximum 50% of total team size can be counted from one group for Pool 2 to Pool 5 achievers. 𝐻𝐿𝑖𝑓𝑒, thank you.